believes that bringing power-efficient processing and standardized, secure software to the embedded market is key for the next generation of IoT devices. Arm is working with Advantech to enable developers to meet customer demand and capitalize on emerging opportunities in the IoT market. Together, Advantech and Arm are enabling smart city, industrial, and smart manufacturing markets with foundational technologies that are easily adoptable, scalable, and will power the next generation of IoT applications. We look forward to our continued partnership with Advantech to deliver the increased capability that future use cases require, and we invite you to join Advantech World Partner Conference 2023 to learn more about the latest products and technology trends. Co-creating the future of the IoT. Have a great Advantech World Partner Conference.